Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing great. I am Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Maths Smart Educated by Lakshmi. In this channel, I'm going to discuss about the various levels of board examination syllabus, especially 11th and 12th standard. In today's video, I'm going to give the one of the super duper plan for the TS Intermediate first year examination syllabus. How can you focus within 40 days Maths total 1A 1B revision? Maths 40 days preparation plan including the revision I am going to give in this video. According to this plan, definitely we can scope up the entire syllabus. We can get the maximum full marks also. Because of nowadays means what, according to 2021 syllabus, 30% syllabus is redacted. Whatever may be syllabus is available, 70% that to easy syllabus there is no difficult at all. If you have the proper plan, if you take the preparation seriously, it takes the 30 days preparation total syllabus 1A and 1B simultaneously, and 10 days, 10 more days we can take for the revision. Total it takes 40 days, 1A and 1B. From 1st May 2021 onwards, IP exams are going to start. Be ready for that one. This plan is very helpful to you to get the maximum marks or full marks. So I will upload some videos on most important topics. You can watch them also. Those are also very helpful to you. Are you ready for this plan? Yes, without delay, let's get started. Right? We can observe this following table. Here I mentioned that mathematics paper 1A I am discussing first. In this one I mentioned that name of the topic, first column, then number of days, how many days we can spend for the topic, as well as weightage of the each and every topic I have given, 2 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks, and each topic total how many marks we can get total including choice also mentioned in this chart. First of all, what is the first topic I mentioned here? Matrices. It is used topic, very interesting topic, and maximum weightage topics. It's a 33 marks weightage. Nearly 6 days you had spent for this one. Very interesting topic. I will upload the videos. Already I uploaded some videos. You can watch those videos on the topic matrices. I will upload more and more also. You can watch easily. And very interesting topic. How many days you had spent for this one? 6 days at least. So we can observe that its weightage 2 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks. Totally 33 marks weightage. Very high weightage. Easily can gain the 33 out of 33 also if you take seriously preparation level. Now come to the next topic, functions. It takes the 3 days time preparation because a few theorems are there here. This weightage is 2 marks, 7 marks, totally 11 marks weightage. At least we can concentrate for this topic 3 days preparation. So you can get the easily 11 marks. Even if you feel any difficulty, some points, okay, you can leave it as a choice, but preparation level don't leave as a choice. Is it clear now? From this chart we can observe that 2 topics. Now we'll observe the next chart. Yes, in this chart we can observe that entirely trigonometry. In the trigonometry, we can divide the total portion. What is the 70% syllabus is? 4 chapters I divided. Are given as a continuous number 3, 4, 5. Already first 2 matrices and functions are given as 1, 2 topics. This is 3, 4, 5. In the trigonometry, we can give the importance for first properties of triangles because it's very interesting and also more weightage. We have to give the importance for the first properties of triangle. For this it takes nearly 6 days and its weightage already from the chart. No 2 mark questions from the properties of triangles, but 2 4 marks and 2 7 marks means totally 22 marks weightage is there from this topic. That's a very interesting, very important topic. Don't miss at any cost. I will give the what are the important questions. I will do some questions on this topic. Important questions. I will give some questions to you also for your work. Do the practice sincerely, dedicatedly. Definitely you can get the maximum marks from this topic. Clear? Now we can observe the next up to transformations. You can observe that first starting your chapters up to transformations is a heading is there in your Telugu Academy textbook. Up to transformations, more topics are there, but weightage is only 12 marks. So more topics are there. That's we can spend at least 6 days From this one, 2 marks, 4 marks will come, no 7 marks. Means total it is 12 marks weightage. Is it clear now? Next, only transformations. Next is 2 days we can take the preparation for this one, 7 marks will come. Clear? Only matrices means what? Up to transformations in topic. Last exercise, only one exercise and some of the examples from that one, 7 marks we can get. Thus we can concentrate 2 days time for that one. Few models are there, you have to do the practice sincerely, dedicatedly, because for that you have to spend the time, at least minimum 2 days time you can spend, easily can get the 7 mark question from the only transformations. Clear? Next, one of the smallest topic that is called as hyperbolic functions on the trigonometry only. From this 1 or 2 marks, 4 marks you can get, that is 6 marks weightage. So only 1 day is enough for this topic. Very simple topic, only simple one exercise only there. From that you can get the easily 6 marks. There is no difficult at all. This is about the trigonometry. So you know what are the major topics in trigonometry? You can observe from this topic. You have to spend the more time on the properties of triangles, because it's more weighted and also easy. There is no difficult level. Easily can spend, and you can get 22 marks from this topic. And you can concentrate rest of the topic most probably. So try to follow. So at least most important questions if you do, there is no difficult at all, because of total including choice each paper 130 marks. So for 130 marks, for first section no choice, you have to attempt 10 out of 10, but remaining 2 sections half of the choice is there. Easily you can scope up full marks and maximum. Full marks or maximum marks. There is no difficult at all. So but you have to concentrate proper revision. Clear? Right. Now we can concentrate on next topics. These are also very interesting topics. There is no difficult at all. Most important topics. Those are called as vectors. Vectors, in the vectors there are the 2 topics. One is additions of vectors. From that 2 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks, totally 19 marks weightage. At least you can spend the 3 days time for this one. And the next, product of vectors. If you know the additions of vectors very well, easily you can follow the product of vectors. For product of vectors, 20 marks weightage. For this you have to spend at least 3 days time. So one 2 mark question, 1 4 mark question, 2 7 mark questions will come from this topic. So additions of vectors 1 7 marks, product of vectors 2 7 marks. From the vectors totally 3 7 marks you can get. So weightage is more. So easily you can focus the each and every question from this vectors also. There is no difficulty level. So I will discuss what are which points you have to focus, which topics you have to focus, which questions you have to focus, how can you solve it, how much time you can spend for that one. So I will explain in videos. Those are most helpful to you. And before that you can follow at least what is this plan. What are given in these 3 charts. Totally 1 year portion I divided into 8 topics. So totally 30 days this planning. Remain 10 days only for the revision. Totally it is 40 days plan. Now let us start mathematics paper 1B. Here also I prepared the charts as a tabular forms, like first column name of the topic, second column number of days, how much time, how many days it takes, third weightage of the topic, that is 2 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks, and as well as total marks of each topic I mentioned here. First topic very well, locus. Locus, from the locus 2 4 mark questions will come, no 2 marks, no 7 marks, means 2 4s 8 marks weightage. It takes 2 days time. It's a very easy chapter. There is no difficult at all. At least you have to spend the 2 days time. Easily you can gain the 8 marks from this topic. Is it clear? Now can come to the next topic is transformation of axis. From this transformation of axis, 2 4 mark questions will come, no 2 marks, no 7 marks, totally 8 marks. For this also you have to spend the 2 days time. Here there are some few points regarding the transformation of axis. What are those? We'll discuss one by one later. First of all, in this video I am going to explain what is a preparation plan including the revision. That too 40 days, 1A and 1B simultaneously, means both you have to prepare. You have to spend the time what I mentioned at least those days, right? Now, one of the major topic in the 1B, that is straight lines. Straight lines is a 22 marks weightage. For this you can spend at least 5 days because few more points are extra. So that too, what is the deleted portion? Other than that, portion is very easy, but at least you have to spend the 5 days time, because from this 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 2 7-mark questions will come. Easily can get the 22 marks, but you have to spend the time, practice properly, because theoretical chapter, while reading the question you have to take care. So I will do some questions about this topic. So because of it's a very interesting and very important topic, which type of smartness you have to use to complete this topic, I will explain, no need to worry, but you have to follow what is my planning and what are maybe my videos. I will upload some videos, definitely can watch them, those are mostly helpful to you. That I am explaining the most important topics, as well as most important questions, some exercises, some questions from the exercises, some questions from the examples. So those are mostly helpful to you. Without missing, watch the videos. Observe the next topics. What are those? Look at now, right? Now look at the one of the most important topic, that is pair of straight lines. From this 2 7-mark questions will come, means 14 marks weightage. For this you have to spend at least 3 days time, because there are some theorems as well as some important, very important questions are there. Definitely from that only mostly 2 7-mark questions will come. I will discuss some questions from this topic also in my videos. Please watch those videos, those are mostly helpful to you. Now we can come to the very simple topic, that is a three-dimensional. In short form, we can call it as 3D geometry. 3D means three-dimensional geometry. For this, you have to spend the 2 days time. One 2-mark question, one 4-mark question. Totally 6 marks questions, 6 marks weightage for this topic. That is simply 3D. If you know the 2-dimensional very well, 3D is so easy. There is no difficult at all. Now, next topic is DRs and DCs. Actually, DRs, DCs expanded form is direction ratios and direction cosines. In short form, we can call it as DRs and DCs. From this one 7-mark question will come. One 7-mark question means essay question will come. That is, for that only 1 day is enough, because only few models are there. So easily you can gain the each and every question. That is only from the DRs, DCs, 1 day is enough. Next, one of the simplest topic, that is simply planes. From this planes, only one question will come. 1 day is enough. One question, that to 2-mark question. That's its weightage is also 2 marks only. So these are the some more topics in the 1B. Those are pair of straight lines, 3-dimensional, DRs, DCs and planes. Here majorly you can concentrate 7-mark questions are pair of straight lines and DRs, DCs. Remaining are 2 marks, 4 marks only. There are no more weightage remaining 3D and DRs, DCs. Sorry, 3D and planes. Is it clear? Now come forward the next chart. From that also you have to get weightage of some topics. What are those? Look at now, right? Now you can observe that next topics. One of them, limits. From the limits, 8 marks will come. Means what? 2 2-mark questions, 1 4-mark questions. For this you have to spend the 3 days time. That's enough. So because of most of the portion is deleted, whatever may be portion available, that is easy only. There is no difficult at all. 3 days time is enough to gain the 8 marks. Okay, next most important topic, more weightage topic in this part, that is a differentiation. In short form, you can call it as derivatives. From this 22 marks will come. For that you have to spend at least 4 days. From this one 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 2 7-mark questions will come. Totally 22 marks weightage. Clear? Now applications of derivatives. Applications of derivatives, there are the 3 topics. Some topics are deleted. What are maybe present syllabus is available. The topics I am mentioning here. Okay, one of the topic is errors in approximation. Is very simple topic. From this only 1 2-mark questions will come. 2-mark question will come. For this only 1 day is enough, because very simple topic, right? This is about the errors and approximations. Now tangents and normals. It is also one of the more weightage topic. from this 24 marks will come. For this at least we have to spend the 4 days time. 1 2 marks, 2 4 marks, 2 7 mark questions, totally 24 marks weightage is this topic. For this you have to spend the more time. That's why I have given the 4 days time at least. And the next one of the most important topic, that is a maximum and minimum. The maximum minimum only 1 7 mark question will come, no 2 marks, no 4 marks. So for this 2 days you can spend the time, because few of the long answer questions are there, for that you have to spend the time. So then only you can get the easily 1 7 marks. These are the various questions which are in various chapters which are in 1B portion. So you have to concentrate what are the major topics, what are the major weightage topics, what are the easiest topics. Not only major weightage topics, some topics are easiest topics are there, for that also you have to spend the time. For example, here errors and approximation is there. Here only 1 2 mark question will come, but 2 marks, for the 2 marks no choice. You can spend the 2 marks all 10 out of 10 also. If you didn't attempt any one of them, any few of them, there is chance to lose the marks, because there is no choice in 2 mark questions. That's why easiest topics, some topics also don't miss it. So whatever may be preparation level, you can take the seriously. This is the mostly helpful to you, I hope so. So given what are the most important chapters, what is clear weightage 2 marks, 4 marks and 7 marks, as well as total marks of each topic. Here also grand total is 130 marks including the choice. I hope so this is mostly helpful to you, right? According to this preparation plan, you have to finish the 1A and 1B within 30 days. So remaining 10 more days we can spend for the revision. These 30 days you have to concentrate what is the preparation level, what is the important topic, what is your stage, you can get idea. Then remaining 10 days you can focus on the revision. Is it clear? Right. Don't waste the time at any cost. Start the preparation. Time is no more. Only hardly 40 days are left over, because from the May 1st onwards exams are going to start, right? If you have any doubt regarding this one, or maybe syllabus, maybe weightage, you can put a comment. Definitely I will direct you. Is it clear? Right. I will upload some videos which are most important topics and most important questions. Those are also most helpful to you. Please watch them. Even though if you have any doubts regarding those videos also, you can put a comment. Definitely I will rectify your doubts. Okay, whatever may be your doubts, you can mention in the comment section. Definitely I will cooperate with you. So you can watch and enjoy my videos. Take care. Bye bye. Right.